Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It's a gorgeous Sunday morning here in Naples, Florida. I just wanted to give you a look at Lowdermilk Park. It just reopened last week after going through Hurricanes Helene and Milton. I know a lot of folks love this beach park. So good news, it's open. The concession stand is open. Right now it's still kind of quiet, lots of parking. As you can see, lots of sand where all that beautiful green grass used to be. Hit that share button. A lot of folks, like I said earlier, love this place. The concessions are open. Get yourself a snack. Get out of the sun for a little while. Take you out onto the beach here. Little boardwalk overpasses are still here. They used to carry you over those beautiful dunes here that were just loaded with sea oats. Look at that beautiful sky. It's getting close to 80 degrees here. Water temperature 78. Birds. All the little tiki huts made it. That's good news. Amazing, huh, that they're still here. Some piles of sand still out on the beach. It's the sand they got off the sidewalks and out of the parking lot. Absolutely gorgeous morning here. I thought you'd like to see it. I couldn't resist sharing it with you. Give you a peek at that water. There is no red tide here. There is red tide to the north of us now, and it's kind of inching its way down towards us, so we're keeping an eye on it. So far, so good. I do see folks occasionally out enjoying the water. Use your own discretion when it comes to going in the water. All the beach chairs and umbrellas lined up here. Calling your name. There's one for you right there. The water's kind of cloudy. I've seen it worse, but I've seen it much better. Still feels good. I'll go in up to my knees as long as I know there's a shower nearby and I can rinse off. Give you a look back at that gorgeous, bright, intense Florida sun. All that beautiful blue sky. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, everyone, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And God bless our wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country. God bless America. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.